ko treat myself because deserve. Ate Corn, sobrang productive ng day ko today. I worked, I filmed, I cleaned my things. Wow, super productive. Good job, ate. Wow. Pero ngayon mga Ate Corn, gutom na ako. And fun fact, mahilig talaga ako sa sweets. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Mang Inasal. Wow. Diba? Nagulat kayo? Kasi naman, fun fact, when I was in college, araw-araw kong inaabangan magbukas yung Mang Inasal after my 7 a.m. class. Kasi paborito kong kainin as dessert yung halo-halo nila after ko kumain ng PM2. Extra creamy halo-halo regular. Wow. Twin, where have you been? Oh, ika. Ito na siya! Alang sarap! Look at how creamy it is! Super sarap. Yummy! Bench, if hindi nyo pa natatry yung Mang Inasal halo-halo, then you are missing out if I'm not mistaken. Uy, boloy. Pero promise, worth it siya. Kaya treat yourself din mga Ate Corn. Deserve nyo yan.